In the place, in your face, it's your boy, that boy can cook, back at you once again. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Marry me chicken. Yeah. All right, your ingredients for this marry me chicken is all right here. Now remember, the measurements are in the description. We got chicken, heavy cream, chicken broth, unsalted butter, sun-dried tomatoes, flour, red pepper flakes, salt, thyme leaves, oregano and pepper, black pepper, garlic, minced, and olive oil. And of course, we got the tricolor rigatoni. Use whatever pasta you like. I'm using the rigatoni. Marry me chicken together. Let's start off with seasoning your chicken with our salt and pepper. So let's just get it seasoned and mixed up, just like that. There we go. Alrighty, easy peasy. Seasoning the chicken. Took no time, no effort. Let's move on to the next step. Yeah. All right, while our pan is heating up, let's go ahead and throw some of our chicken and our flour. Just get some of it dredged. Just get it mixed up. Just like that. There we go. No, y'all can't see it, but you get the idea. We're just gonna dredge it, coat it basically in our flour. All right, let's get our olive oil in our pan. It's nice and hot. Let's get our butter, get that melted down. Get it to where we are ready to start cooking. The butter is gonna give it that flavor, and the olive oil is gonna keep the butter from burning too fast. So that's why we're using both. So let's just get our butter melted. All right, butter and olive oil is ready. Let's just go ahead and start dropping some of our chicken in here. And I don't want it hot like I'm frying chicken, so just warm enough to start it to cooking. And you don't want to overcrowd your pan, so maybe 2-3 batches. Alrighty, let's get one more piece in there, squeeze it in there. There we go. All right, let's let these cook down. We'll be right back. Go ahead and give our chicken a turn. There we go. Alrighty, let it finish cooking. Alright, most of your chicken is done. Let's get it out here. We still got one more small batch to fry. So, but this chicken right here is ready. Let's go ahead and get it out. There we go. All right, your chicken is ready. So let's go ahead and get these last pieces out of here. And let's saute our garlic in a minute till it gets fragrant. And I'm smelling it already. So now we're going to take our chicken stock and we're going to deglaze the pan. So let me let this cook just a tad bit more. There we go. Chicken stock to deglaze our pan. There we go. We got our chicken broth in here working. We reduced the heat to medium low. So now let's get our heavy cream. Let's get that in now. And remember to turn your heat down. A half cup of Parmesan cheese. Let's get that in now. Right, now let's get your thyme and oregano in here. We didn't let it simmer for a couple of minutes. So let's get that in there. Let's get our red pepper flakes in here. There we go. And let's just get it all mixed in. Let's season it to taste with a little salt and pepper. As you can see, I just threw it in there already. There we go. Alrighty. Now let's get these sun-dried tomatoes. Let's get these boys in there too. And we're just gonna let this simmer for maybe like 10 or 15 minutes. Let it thicken up and we're gonna be back. Now our pasta is done. So all we have to do now is mix it. I should have said at the beginning, before you start, you wanna put your parsley, forgive me, not your parsley. You wanna put your pasta on while you're going through all the steps. So let's go ahead and get everything mixed in. Here's our tricolor rigatoni. Let's get our sauce. There we go. Let's get it all in there. Chicken. Let's get that in there too. And just let's mix it. Let's get it mixed in. Marry me chicken. There it is right there. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone.